What's up, guys? This is Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down what's happening with SPY, Tesla, and the broader markets. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I'm saying as financial advice. So the good news about SPY is that although we've dumped quite a bit all the way down to 669.5, SPY got bought back up, and now we're holding 670 very nicely. Tomorrow, there's not really much coming out besides Michigan consumer sentiment data, and everything else is going to be more minor. And for now, I think SPY is holding support very nicely. So if we continue to hold this tomorrow, I do think we could be looking for a bounce back up towards all-time highs. But if we don't hold around 669, there's going to be a risk of us dipping lower towards 667. So I want to see us hold 669 going into tomorrow. If so, we could be looking for a bounce. Same thing with the QQQ. We bounced almost perfectly off this 607 area near the 20 EMA, and we're getting bought back up. If we lose 607, we could be dumping back down, but as of right now, we're holding nicely, and this could help us to slingshot back up to all-time highs. On the IWM, we dipped to about 243 and we bounced. So as long as we could hold 245, we're looking for an attempt for 247. More upside is very possible. On ES, we held 67.62. I want to see us reclaim 67.80. If so, we're looking for all-time highs again. On NQ, we held 25,206. We're trying to bounce here. Could be going back up to the highs as well. Bitcoin is trying to hold 121,000. If we can get back above this, we're looking for 122,369. Tesla is a short-term inverse head and shoulders, creating a small bounce. We could go for 438 again. But even if we bounce back up to like 440, keep in mind that there's a much larger head and shoulders forming on Tesla, so I'd still be very careful with it. For Nvda, we pumped very nicely now, and then we started to dip. So we're trying to get bought back up. I just don't want to see us lose 190. If 190 fails us, there could be a bigger move down. As long as we hold 192.5, though, we're going to be looking for an attempt for 195 plus. For Appl, we dumped all the way down towards 253. I want to see us hold this. As long as 253 holds, we could try to bounce for 256. So we'll see if it holds or not. Palantir is looking bullish. As long as we don't lose 182, we're going to be favoring 188 all over again. On AMD, we could be retesting 228, and we'll see if we balance. Coinbase is making higher lows here. As long as we don't lose 377, we're going to be favoring a push back up towards the 400 area. Amazon's looking more bullish. 228 to 229 is very possible. Meta is also looking bullish with an inverse head and shoulders. 739 could be tested, so we'll see how that goes. Google is looking a little bit weaker, though. We could be looking for 240. And then Microsoft, if we reclaim 522, we're looking for a attempt for 524. Also, the VIX pumped and rejected, so this could be a sign it's going to be dipping lower. And with the VIX potentially dipping lower, that could be a bullish sign for stocks. Keep in mind, there's still a gap to fill down here at 15.5 on the VIX, so it may continue to fall as the market continues to rocket. We could be looking for a big bounce right now, but we'll see just for confirmation if we hold these key levels. Anyways, I thank you all so much for listening. Have a good rest of your guys' days. This is just going to be a quick update about the markets. I'll be back with a longer update in just a couple of hours. Until then, I wish you all nothing but the best, as always, and peace out.